People are looking for safe and fun events to do with their families. If you have a brick and mortar location, here are some ideas. Gyms can offer a free outdoor post-Thanksgiving workout for interested potential new members. Invite the whole family and serve snacks and drinks afterwards with free t-shirts. And you can have a place where people can sign up for your blog or newsletter. Hairdressers and salons can offer a discount for customers who sign up for their email list, or offer a bundle deal for the holiday services. Host an open house at your business with giveaways. Everybody likes freebies. Ask people to sign in with their email address and name so that you can keep in touch with leads and announce future business promotions. Be sure to promote your event online as well as signage out front to attract foot traffic. If you don't have a space to accommodate people, fear not. You can run an event online, such as a social media contest, giveaway, or even a virtual workshop. Financial planners can host an online workshop on how to budget for the holidays and the new year. Online scavenger hunts. The first 50 people who found the item in the hunt wins $25 credit on their next purchase. And you can make the scavenger items holiday related. Run a video contest. Make your video contest as interactive as possible and encourage creativity. Also consider enabling voting to inspire action. To keep customers engaged online, make sure to showcase the winners of your contest. Every time participants see someone win, they'll envision themselves as the next winner. Find fun ways to connect with customers during Small Business Saturday this year. Everyone is looking for ways to feel connected to their community, and this is the time for your small business to shine. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to prepare for the special day of Small Business Saturday.